Bitcoin's skyrocketing popularity has its drawbacks. Its Achilles heel is scalability. The problem is currently being tackled by experts who are creating improved protocols, such as the Lightning Network. What exactly is the Lightning Network, and how does it aim to save Bitcoin? In 2015, it became obvious that Bitcoin's throughput could not cope with the flow of transactions. Blockchain developer Joseph Poon decided to solve this problem and, together with his colleagues, developed a separate scaling system, the Lightning Network. The concept of this new solution was described in the white paper of the project in 2016. Lightning Network is the Layer 2 protocol released on top of Bitcoin that can speed up the process of transferring funds and minimize fees. That is, users will be able to transfer their coins faster, in larger volumes, and with lower fees. The creators noted that Bitcoin itself, without outside help, is not capable of meeting the needs of the global commerce market. The Lightning Network system is already being actively integrated by large platforms such as OKX and Kraken. At first glance, it is obvious that the new development has become a salvation for Bitcoin. With a throughput of the world's first cryptocurrency at 7 TPS and an average transfer time of 10 minutes, any acceleration of the process will be of great help. The Lightning Network promises to increase throughput to 1 million TPS, where transaction processing might become instantaneous. Other advantages of implementing Lightning Network also include reducing the load on the entire Bitcoin network, lower fees, the protocol preserving the anonymity of users, and smart contract support, which means that it is possible to create DeFi applications with this protocol. Despite the noble mission that the Lightning Network does for Bitcoin, this protocol has a number of limitations. Internet dependability. The entire operation of the Lightning Network completely depends on the stable operation of the internet. Bugs. In the event of a technical or network failure, there's a high probability of the blocking the channel, forced closure of the transactions, or even loss of user funds. Distribution. Despite the fact that the project has already existed for several years, it is still far from widespread distribution. The developers have to figure out the technical problems in the area of channel creation and management. Some crypto enthusiasts began to accuse the Lightning Network protocol of contradicting the very idea of crypto. Bitcoin was created as a means of decentralization, while LN channels are becoming control centers. On one hand, such a policy violates the principles of direct transfers without intermediaries. Moreover, large Lightning Network nodes are capable of monitoring transactions, censoring the activities of unwanted users, and they are not immune from government decisions. This doesn't fit with the anonymous free trade. On the flip side, potential centralization within the LN can act as a security authority for the system. With the help of controllers, you can resolve disputes that arise during the transfer of funds and restore access to coins lost as a result by backing up data. The Lightning Network system is currently one of the most optimal solutions for the Bitcoin network. The technology allows this cryptocurrency to move forward and serve even more users around the world. The problems of the system itself, namely the problems of token liquidity, are now being actively addressed by the developers. Despite some difficulties, investors and entrepreneurs continue to show support to LN. In 2022, Lightning Labs managed to raise $80 million to develop a new Taro protocol that works with stable coins. One of the investors was former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey. What do you think about the Lightning Network? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with all things crypto. Join us on the cutting edge of cryptocurrency. We'll see you there very, very soon.